representative of the local government.
Right Honorable, allow the vote.
7.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleagues. Confirmation of Mr. Governor's nominee for appointment as commissioners. The report is drawn by Right Honorable that the House condemn in stronger terms dishonorable actions of Alfred Berger, Makurdi North representative, and his cohorts. 2. That the House suspend the following honorable members from legislative duties for 6 months for indulging in dishonorable actions capable of casting aspersions and causing acrimony in the House. 1. Honorable Alfred Berger, Makurdi North State Constituency. 2. Honorable Shimawua Vandeikya 2. 3. Honorable Cyril Ekong. 4. Honorable Abuh Umoru James Abuh State Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I beg to so move for their suspension as the leadership of the
Honorable Douglas Kian is the new Deputy Chief Whip. Honorable Kennedy Hambo is the new Deputy Majority Leader.